Hi, everybody. Welcome to Math 106 this semester. My name is Mr. Chen, and I will be your instructor for this course. So thank you so much for watching this Math 106 welcome and syllabus video. And I do appreciate you click on the hyperlink and watch this video. This video might be a little bit long because at the end, I will go over the syllabus homework with you. So that takes a little bit of time. All right. So as an online course, your attendance is taken by the completion of graded assignments submitted each week. Therefore, to count as attending this course, you got to make sure you submit assignments every week. So to get started this semester, okay, you're basically watching this video first. So in this video today, I will show you how to navigate D2L. I will go over the syllabus, go over your first week's assignments, okay? That's called the homework syllabus, and discuss how you actually proceed in this online class. All right. And there's probably one more thing I will add here is probably the discussion questions, okay, which is a quick introduction. So that should be located under discussion. So I will kind of update this. Well, introduce yourself right here. So let me make sure it's in here. If not, I will make sure I post the introduction. Yep, it's right here. All right, let me go back to announcement page. But it's very important that you actually complete, okay, you complete this syllabus homework. Okay, so I will go over this syllabus homework with you. Okay, so for this welcome week, okay, you watch this video, you submit your homework syllabus or syllabus homework, and make sure you post and reply introducing yourself, okay, by January 16th. All right, so to continue this course past the welcome week, you got to make sure you complete the homework, the syllabus homework. If you do not submit the syllabus homework by January 16 at 11:30, you will actually be dropped from the class and considered as a no-show. So I'm assuming that you never show up for the class. I will take weekly attendance and begin to grade your homework on Mondays. So normally I grade homework on every Monday. All right, and I will also message you if you do miss some homework every week. All right, if you turn in an assignment on time, I will also message you once I grade your assignments. Okay, so weekly so every week I will at least contact you once, telling you that I graded your homework or what homework you have missing. All right, you have any questions about this course? Okay, so this part of the announcement is will always be will appear every week. So if you have questions, okay, you can always message me in D2L, which is up here under this envelope box. Okay, click on it and you can click on instant message. You can email me at mchen@nats.edu. You can actually text me using my Google voice text, okay, or you can meet me in Zoom. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 different ways, okay, that we will communicate. Our primary method of communication will be using the D2L instant message, which is located up here. Okay, so everybody should receive a message from me already, asking you to watch this welcome syllabus video. All right, this is the link. If you want to meet with me in Zoom, this is a link that you click on. All right, if you want to meet with me, please let me know ahead of time so I will know to get into the Zoom. All right, I will update this part right here. Sorry about that. All right, so the basic navigation. I really don't like this visual table contents. Okay, I always recommend a student to go to contents on the very top left. Click on the content so you can see the whole course. Okay, week by week. So the very first thing I want to go over here is your course information. These links will always be here. So I've also posted the welcome video right here as well. We will go over the syllabus here just in a minute. Okay, so you can click on it and open up, review the syllabus with me. You will not need to purchase a textbook for this class. Okay, I use a textbook for reference, but basically what students do every week is they actually print or copy down their lecture handouts. Okay, then they take notes on the handouts while watching the lecture videos. So whatever is on the handouts, in the video, I actually go over, okay, everything that's on the lecture handouts. So normally students print or copy down the handouts, okay, and then they watch the lecture video, and take notes. Once they complete those, then they will turn in the homework. All right. And then every week, I will ask you to turn in at least one notes that you took. Okay. So for example, this week, the week of topic 3 and 4, you are supposed to take notes on topic 3 and topic 4 while you're watching the video using the lecture handouts. But I only want you to turn in topic 4 notes. Okay. I don't need topic 3. I just need topic 4. So this is the, so basically that's what you do every single week to go through the course. Let me go back to the course information. Oh, one more thing, the Dropbox is where you upload the notes. Okay, the Dropbox is where you upload the notes. So let me go back to course information. All right, my contact information is listed right here. If you click on it, you can actually see my contact information. Let me go back. All right, how to upload a handwritten assignment. So technically, the notes that you took is an assignment. Okay, so this video shows you how to actually take pictures, basically take pictures, okay, using your mobile device of the notes that you took. And then this video will also show you how you actually email yourself that picture and then upload it into D2L. Okay, so make sure you watch this video right here on how to upload your note taken. All right, how to use graphical equation. I will show you how to use graphical equation here at the end of this video. From time to time, when you see a phrase that's saying that please use the graphical equation to answer, to enter the answers, then you will need to use this thing called the graphical equation. So this thing is located within your homework, and I will show you how to use that in a bit. All right. This video show you how to view your assignment feedbacks. Okay, so whenever you completed an homework assignments, okay, this video show you how you actually find the feedback, okay, for your assignments. How to check for missing assignments, okay, how to use Zoom. This video, how to use Zoom, is basically help you setting up how to use Zoom on your computer. Office.com is very important. If you're a new student, you never used your student NETC email, if you never have access to it, then this video office.com show you how you can access your student email account. Okay, it's actually under office.com. All right, if you're a new student, again, if you never use something called the self-service, this video show you how you can access the self-service and also show you how to do the academic advising. Okay, so make sure you check out this video. I'm going to open up another tab because in a minute we will need to, this is what we will need to do. So I'm going to open up another tab and then access our course. All right, tutor.com is a free tutorial service 24/7. So if you need some help and I'm not available at that time, you can always set up appointments with the tutor.com. Okay, but if you do have questions regarding to what you watched on the lecture videos or what questions you have on the homework, you can always try to contact me and let me know what questions you have. Okay, so don't hesitate to ask questions. All right, so basically this is all this information you will at one point in time you will need them throughout the semester. Okay, so again, any given week, okay, you will always see lecture handout, lecture video, assignment in the Dropbox. Okay, so the first thing you do for that week is copy or print your lecture handouts, use the handouts to watch the video and take notes. Once you took the notes, then you can complete your homework. Okay, once you finish your notes, you can go ahead and upload. Okay, take pictures of the notes that you took and upload them into D2L, into the Dropbox. Okay, so again, for this week, you were supposed to take notes on topic 10 and 11, but you will only need to turn in top 11 notes that you took. All right, let's go down to the very final week. The very final week is final exam and topic 31. Okay, so here's your handouts. Here's your lecture handout. Here's your videos. So once you complete your homework for topic number 31, before you take the final exam, I need you to watch the on-the-lock setting, how to use on-the-lock, because your final exam is actually proctored by using on-the-lock. Okay, so watch the two on-the-lock videos and watch the exam review before you take the final exam. So this thing called the practice on the lock is not for a grade. It's just something, it's just trying to show you how you, it's just as a, it's me asking you to practice using the on the lock, because in order to use on the lock will require you to do some authentication. So make sure your computer got to have a camera. You got to have a photo ID. Okay, those two things are part of the authentication. So the proctoring service, the on the lot, knows that you are the person taking the final exam. Okay, so make sure you watch these two videos, okay, and do the practice on the lot and watch the exam review before you take the final exam. So let's go over our syllabus real quick. Let me drag it over here. All right, so my content information is all, some of my content information is on top of the syllabus. Okay, in this class, we will go over integers, rational number, decimal, percent, ratio, proportion, and a little bit of measurements, geometry, and we will talk about operations of a little bit of real basic algebra stuff. All right, I checked everybody's prerequisite already, so make sure to take, oh, this is wrong. Oh, sorry about that. I will change that statement right here. In order to take Math 106. Okay. I have a placement score to take this class. Sorry about that. So what's required in this class is using D2L. Textbook is textbook link. I already show you where the textbook link is on the course information. So you don't have to purchase any textbook. Calculators. So if you don't have the calculators right now, it's okay. Later on the semester in those speed lecture videos, I actually talk a little bit about the calculators, the different calculators that students have. Let me open up. So if you do have one already, okay, you can I will show you how to use calculator later on the semester in the lecture videos. Okay, so not 100% requiring to have a graphing calculator right now. A scientific calculator will do the trick. Okay, but if you need to take Math 110 and Math 120 to graduate, then you definitely got to have a graphing calculator by the time you take those classes. All right, you can look over the student learning outcomes. Okay, so course requirements. So what do you do? Well, first thing first, you will print and copy your lecture handouts, okay, every week. You'll watch lecture videos and take notes on the lecture handouts, okay, that you print or copy down. All right, complete your homework and then upload the selected lecture notes taken into the appropriate Dropbox, okay? So make sure you only turn in the notes that I asked for that week. I don't need all of them, I just need one particular one. All right, here are your grading information. Okay, so our graded assignments are homework, note taken, and your final exam. So homework, as I show you, all the homework is already posted in D2L. Okay, the questions on the homework are related to the topic written and on the lecture handout and what we discussed in the video. All the homework only have one attempt. You will be counted for your weekly attendance, and I do not drop any homework grade. All right, notes taken there. So I show you what the Dropbox for the notes taken. So there are selected topical lecture notes taken require you to upload into the Dropbox. So you will actually for the notes that you need to turn in, okay, I will need you to write your name and the date you watch the lecture video in pen on the top right hand corner. okay, on the top right-hand corner of every page you upload. And your weekly submission of the note taking count as attendance. All right, final exam will be proctored by Unlock. So make sure you watch the Unlock setting and how to use Unlock student guide and complete your practice Unlock before you attempt the final exam. All right, here is the grading rubric for your homework. And here are your standard grading systems, okay? So this thing called the UF. UF stands for unearned F. Unearned F, it only happens when students who failed the course and did not complete the final assignment. Our final assignment is the final exam. So let's say you did not take the final exam and you have a failing grade, okay? Then a grade of UF will be assigned at the end of the semester. So a regular F means that you actually took the final exam and you still failed the course, okay? Then that's a regular F. UF is when student who failed the course and also did not complete the final assignment. All right, withdrawal, if you need to withdraw from the course, okay, you will actually get a W for the course, okay? All right, Q stands for excessive absence. So when student not turning their assignments, okay, in 14 consecutive days, then you can be dropped from the course, okay, with the grade of Q. All right, here are your weekly outline. And these are the things that, these are the assignment that you will do for every week. And of course, if you want to go ahead on the week, you can, that's not a problem, okay. All right, here are your grading scales. So attendance policies, all right? Attendance policy for no-shows. This is first week. So if you do not complete the homework syllabus after this class begin, which I already set the date to be January 16 is the final due date. January 16 by 11:30. All right. So if you don't submit that homework syllabus, okay, you will actually be dropped as a no-show. If you submit the syllabus homework, then you are bound by below the attendance requirements. So student must log in and complete a graded activity for each week and be counted as present. Any student who failed to complete a graded activity for 2 weeks or 14 consecutive days will be dropped from the class with a Q. Okay, that means excessive absence. So a lot of students ask, okay, what about making up the assignment? So maybe 1 week you only turn in the note taken, but you did not do the homework. Well, it's okay. You can make it up your homework at any time. Okay, but just remember, if you don't turn in anything that week, then you'll be counted as absent for that week. Okay, so if you don't turn in any homework, any homework or note taken that week, then I will message you let you know that you missed. But if you are missing homework assignment for 2 weeks in a row, 14 consecutive days, then you'll be dropped from the class. Okay, so don't let these dates fool you. Okay, the due dates are set, but if you only missing a homework assignment or 2 from that week, yes, you can make it up, but you cannot say, well, I'm gonna wait till the end of the semester to do my homework because I can make it all up. Okay, well, that's not gonna work for the attendance. So make sure you're turning at least 1 graded assignment a week, because what happens is if a student missing quite a few assignments every week, and then toward the end of the semester, that's a lot of homework trying to catch up. Then most students have a hard time catching up of all those missing assignments. So try to keep up with the pace of the course as much as you can. Okay, missing a homework here and there, not a big deal. Make it up as soon as you can, please. Okay, you don't want to fall too behind in this class. Ooh, let me exit that. All right, voluntary withdrawal, you can actually read through the withdrawal. Discussion inadequates, please read through that. Student with disability, if you do have a document disability and require accommodation, please contact the Dean of Student Service. He or she will provide guidance regarding to official documentation of disability and accommodation of needs. All right, please go over the academic dishonesties. Okay, FERPA, your Family Education Rights and Privacy Act statement. So basically, what this is saying is your educational, all your educational information, use rights, is actually being protected under the federal, under FERPA, the federal law. All right, so that's pretty much it for going over the syllabus and navigating the D2L. So once again, every week, okay, every week you print or you copy down, okay, what's on the lecture handouts, okay. Then you use the handouts, okay, or what you copy down to watch a video and take notes. When you're done with that, then you can start your homework, and then make sure you're turning the notes that I asked for that week. Okay, that's your process of every week. Okay, so I'm gonna open up one of the handouts. When you click on one of the handouts, all these handouts are in Word document. All right, please do not print from D2L. So right now, this Word document is within D2L. Okay, don't try to print this. So what you do is you scroll down a little bit and you click on download. Okay, what you want to do is download this Word document. If you want to print this, download the Word document, enable editing. So print the lecture handout while you're on the Word documents. Basically, this is what I'm saying. So now you actually download it, and then you have a Word document. Now you can actually print out this handouts. Okay. So for some reason, when these Word document being uploaded onto the D2L, some of the features, that little symbol right there, that symbol, I never type in that symbol. Okay, so some of the formatting, kind of got mixed it up. So that's the reason why it's very important that if you want to print the lecture handouts, make sure you click on download first, then print the handout from Word documents. All right, so very first week. So let's go back to table of contents. Okay, so you can see the whole thing. So welcome week, you have to do the syllabus homework, okay, and then do this discussion. So I'm gonna click on it to introduce yourself to the class. So what you do is you start a new thread. Okay, please write 100 words to introduce yourself to the class. You must respond to at least one of your classmates with a post of 25 words. Okay, so 100 words to introduce yourself. Okay, respond back to one student with 25 words. But you got to so the way you start is start a new thread. Enter a subject to type in your name. Enter your name, please. And then you introduce yourself. When you get done, you click on post. Okay. Don't wait till the last day. Don't wait till the last day to introduce yourself. Okay. Do it as soon as you can. So other people can read yours and respond back to you. All right, let's go back to welcome week. All right, let's go over the homework syllabus. Okay, very important. If you don't submit this, okay, not just complete, you got to submit them. If you don't submit your syllabus homework, that means you'll be dropped from the class. Now, I'm assuming you're not taking the class. All right, so I'm going to preview this. I'm going to go over the answers. So these are the answers that you will enter. All right, first thing first, consider the following questions. It will be easier to write down the answer before entering inside the box below. So sometimes you will see an instruction like that. So that means I need you to write down the answers before you type it in. All right, number one, what is the best phone number to get in contact with you? So I will change this right here. This is no longer valid. So what you do, I want you to use the graphical equation to enter. So click into the response box, click on the plus sign, click on equation, and click on graphical equation. Oh, by the way, try not to use your mobile device to do the homework, okay? Because mobile device screens are smaller, and then it hides a lot of part of that of your homework questions, okay? So here under graphical equation, I'm gonna say number one, okay? You will enter the best phone number, okay, that I can contact you with. Okay, your phone number, not mine, your phone number. All right, so one insert, one line, insert. All right, press enter, go below it, and then go back to graphical equation. Click on plus sign, equation, graphical equation. Number two. Number two, asking you, the phone number you provide, number one, is it a cell phone, home phone number? Okay, so tell me what type of phone number it is. Is it a cell, or is it a landline, home phone, or word number? Okay, let me know. All right, click on insert, of course. All right, so when you enter into these boxes, okay, so what I'm showing you right now is exactly this way that you will answer all the homework questions in this class. So once you enter anything, there's a check mark. The check mark indicating that your answer has been saved. So if you're not gonna finish in the homework, you can simply just exit out. Okay, but once you submit, then it's a done deal. You submit it. So if you're not gonna finish your homework, want to take a break or something, we can just exit out. Your answer is saved. All right, number two, open a new tab like I did earlier. Up here above and access your class in D2L. Go to the course information and watch the video on how to access your self-service. So open a new tab, access your course, go back to content, go to course information, scroll down to this video, watch this video, and then access your self-service. Once you access your self-service, enter your academic advisor's name, your academic advisor's name. Okay, whoever they are, I just wanted to make sure that you know how to get into the self-service. And a lot of, and by these names, I know whether you watch that video or not, because some student will give me some weird names, okay, where I know they're not your academic advisor. All right, number three, what is the last date of class? Our last date is going to be set on May 1st, 2022. Can you email your instructor using personal email? The answer is no. Okay, so that office.com, let me go to this. That office.com is very important because that video teaches you how to access your student NETC email. So when you email me, it has to come from your student NETC email. It cannot come from your personal email, because if you email me from your personal email, okay, like an iCloud or something like that, using your iPhone, then a lot of those email will go straight into my junk mail, and I will never know you actually emailed me. Okay. All right. How does a student go about withdrawing from a class? Okay, there are three ways. There are three ways. All right. Number one, contact the enrollment center at our phone number. Second way is contact the student service, dial the same number. You just kind of, you have different options. Or the third way is contact me and using your student NETC email, using the D2L instant message up here, D2L instant message. Click on it, instant message. Or you can text, using my Google Voice number, okay, to text me. So my Google Voice number is under my contact information. Okay, it's right here, 252-0030, or is under the announcement page every week, towards the bottom, that number. All right, so make sure you type these out, okay, for the answers. What are the three type of graded assignment in this class? All right, the three type of assignment in this class are homework. All right, notes taken. And final exam. All right, what is the last assignment need to be completed before this class, final exam? That's your final assignment, okay? Any student who failed to complete a graded activity for how many consecutive days? 14 consecutive. Will be dropped on the class. All right. So there will be times later on the semester where you will need to entering certain answers, okay, like exponents and fraction bars. So let me show you how to use the graphical equation to enter the answers. All right, so the first thing I want you to enter is 2/3. So what I want you to do, okay, inside this box, click on the plus sign. If you don't see graphical equation, you can just type in regular numbers. But if you see an instruction that says use the graphical equation, then I want you to click on the plus sign. All right, for example, if this problem, I want you to type in 2/3, okay, and you're typing like this, I will actually count that as incorrect, okay? So if you are being asked to use the graphical equation and you don't use it, then you're not gonna get full credit for that answer. So graphical equation, click on the plus sign, equation, graphical equation. All right, so fraction bar 2/3 is right here. So you start with fraction bar 2 and go down using the arrow, using the down arrow key on your keyboard and type in 3, or you can click on it. All right, I'm gonna go to the right, put the cursor right next to the fraction bar. Now right next to my fraction, comma, space. And the next one I want you to enter, I think is 3 1/3. So 3 first, fraction bar, 1, and then over 3. All right, I'm gonna put the cursor right next to the 1/3, comma, and the last one is 4 to the second power. So exponents, 4 to the second power. Typing 4 first, and then here is your exponents, second power. That's it. All right, click on insert. Voila. All right, so when you get done, you can submit your homework. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding to this class, okay, please don't hesitate to email me, send me a D2L instant message, text me, or we can meet each other in Zoom. Okay, so have a great semester, and I appreciate it. You taking this class. Please let me know if you need any help. Okay, we'll talk to you soon. Thank you for watching.